Hey everyone, Frank Iglesias here. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to get a good bid for work needed on a property. And the answer is very simple. And this message today is really geared toward if you're in acquisitions. So whether it doesn't matter if you're going to be a landlord, a wholesaler, a rehabber, at the end of the day, it's all acquisitions. And what you want to do, whether you're, especially if you're new, but even if you have some experience or a decent bit of experience, get more than one contractor bid. And this is super important, especially for the wholesalers, because you're going to be presenting deals to other buyers. By getting these bids, you don't even have to hire the contractor, just pay them, and they'll charge you probably about $100 to do this. Get them to give you a good line item bid, and then get it again from a second person and a third person. It's $300. The information you will learn in that $300 will far outweigh the cost that you spend. 100 times over, I guarantee it. And I don't guarantee much in life, but that I will guarantee you. $300, you do this over 2 or 3 properties, you've now spent $600, $900, but the education you will get from 3 contractor bids across 1, 2, 3 properties is absolutely immeasurable and will save you that number in multiple times over all day long. So it's not hard to do. Don't be cheap. Get multiple professional opinions and you'll be glad you did. Thanks.